throughout India, especially among the farmers community and all that, you will see some kind of headgear. They wear different colors or different kinds. Now this is got the the gold kind of thing on the edge. Couple of cooks gave the name for the restaurants as Thalapakatti Biryani, Thalapakatti curries and so on. We will do couple of those recipes on our show. Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your washchef at whatever.com. It is one of the users' request for me to make Thalapakatti Biryani. For making this biryani, we are going to make one masala. The biryani leaf, the stone flower, we call biryani flower, the green cardamom, the star anise, the mace, the cinnamon sticks and the cloves. This is our whole spices. In this, add ginger, garlic, peppercorns, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds. Don't feel threatened with so much of spices. By adding all these things, you will get a nice taste. And here they use shallots because unlike the regular onions, the shallots have very nice taste. That's why in making omelets and all that, even the French use shallots. This is all we need. Just add a little salt, make this into a nice paste. Next, we're going to brown the mutton a little bit. For this, add some ghee in a pot. We're going to add mutton. So I've got some mutton with bones, but do not add water in this because the kind of rice they use in this jeera sambar rice, which is very small. So they don't, unlike Hyderabadi biryani where we use basmati rice, here they use jeera sambar rice and you go to Tamil Nadu and that region, they will say real biryani has to be made with jeera sambar. Add these mutton pieces into the ghee, fry it till it is slightly golden in color. You can also add some ginger garlic paste. Keep frying in the oil till it gets a nice color. Now the meat pieces have browned and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just add some water and cook in a pressure cooker so that these mutton pieces are nice and soft. This browning of the meat even in this pot will give a very nice taste to this mutton. Look, I've got all the mutton pieces out. This is my pressure cooker. I'm just going to let this mutton cook nice and soft. In the meantime, in the ghee, we're going to add turmeric, the chopped tomatoes. Once the tomatoes are sauteed a little bit, add some green chilies, mint, some chopped coriander. In the ghee, we're going to add this masala. Always they make it like a masala ball and put it in this and slowly reduce the flame and roast all these masalas. We're not going to add water. The water that comes out of this mutton will give the flavor to the rice which we're going to add later. Masala is all ready. Add salt and we're going to add yogurt. 1 cup of yogurt into this. We're going to add some red chili powder. The mutton is almost ready. The stock that is there will give the nice taste and put all of them. Now in this we are going to add the rice, but before we add the rice we have to make sure, like any biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, Lucknow biryani, Bombay biryani, that this water is very tasty. Only then your biryani. We need to add some more salt. Now we are going to cook this along with the rice. Once this comes to a boil, just transfer all the rice into this. This jeera sambar rice, it's not going to be that fluffy and that flaky, but this is going to be perfect. The rice will absorb all the flavors of the mutton. Let it cook. We're just going to put the lid on and in between, once 95% of the water is absorbed, just we're going to mix it once and leave it and the rice will come out perfect. Our very own Thalapakatti biryani is ready. Masala, flavors, everything mixed up in here with the jeera sambar rice and all that. Everybody is used for a different style of biryanis. For us in Hyderabad, we like flaky rice and different colors in the rice. But in Tamil Nadu, they love the biryani this way. They don't even give raita mostly. They give the mutton kurma gravy. So this combination makes this very, very tasty. Let me squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice, very, very hot. And the meat, I have to show, this is nice, tender and perfect. So every bite, Tamil Nadu, the masala flavors and everything, very unique, and superb. I am very happy some chef decided to wear this and cook and gave the name of this headgear. And dear friends, make biryanis from all over the country and enjoy them. With every bite,